So now that we're pretty much done covering the different aspects of building controls and deformations for this face, I'm going to briefly go over the Mel scripted GUI to select those different controls. So here I'll open it up real quick, and here's the old body tab. I've added two more tabs here, the face, which was empty previously, and then a shapes tab. Let's go to the face tab first. Close this down. So here we can see the basic ideas. We're sort of looking at this character face on with the lower jaw hinged downward. So here are all the lower jaw selections. Then the upper jaw hinging upward as if the mouth were cranked open. We're sort of looking at it face on. So the upper jaw and upper lip joints represent the top half of the head and vice versa. Let's reset these. Then we have a series of lip controls for the FK lips here. Then we have some basic controls. Here's the chest joint for the body, the neck. Here's the head joint that's connected to the body rig, and then the head joints which are built into the facial rigging here. We have ear selections, upper and lower teeth selections, a select all button of course, and here's our tongue, where we have the primary joints going down the length of the tongue, and then the left and right joints that will allow us to curl the tongue into the tongue taco. And then here are the lower lip controls. And here are the two side lip controls here. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. So next we're going to go to the Shapes tab. Here I have a couple labels, brow shapes, nostril shapes. You can have as many as you want to. There's a template to just add these with. And so here we just have a series of sliders. We can see what the all these blend shapes are doing. Let's open up the actual Mel script itself and see what's going on here. The face controls are pretty straightforward. They're all just button selections. But here we can see on the brow and nostril shapes, we're using the attribute field slider group Mel command. What that does is it creates this group of controls, one being a label, and then a float slider where we can specify the minimum and maximum version, then an attribute we want attached to that control. That gives us a pretty easy way to add these sliders in and then attach them to a specific blend shape attribute. So that's just a brief overview of what we're doing with the Mel scripted GUI controls to drive the deformations of the face. Once again, some of these are overlapping in the Mel script that will be in the support files on this DVD. So whether you're using a more blend shape oriented facial rig or direct controls, you can mix and match and edit the provided Mel script to get the set of controls that you want.